Hi there, welcome to my shop. I'm glad you've stopped in. Before we start with today's project, I just have something I really think needs to be said. It's a dangerous world out there right now. I'm hoping that in a couple of weeks from now, certainly within a few months, that's not going to be true. But at the moment, really, you need to stay home. I know there are people who have to go out for their jobs, service industries, doctors, nurses. We owe them so much right now. Some of them are getting sick, some of those have died. It's, like I said, a dangerous world. Stay home, stay in your shop, watch TV, watch YouTube videos, anything but going out there in the public. It's just too dangerous. Even if you've got the proper gloves and masks and things, don't take the chance. If you happen to get some of the virus on your clothes and brush up against someone else, you'll spread it. Stay home. I can't stress this enough. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope you'll come back again. I don't want to find out that you're in the hospital. Stay home. All right, I think I beat that horse to death. Let's go on with today's project. I have a small piece of apple wood. The pith is running just below the surface, right in here. And I don't think I can get this bark to hang in there at all, but I want to drill for a woodworm screw because it is a small piece anyway. Put this on and see if I can't flatten out this end, get a recess in it perhaps, then reverse it and make a small bowl. Not sure exactly what I'm even aiming for at the moment, but I hope you'll stick around and let's take this over to the lathe and see what we do with it. Sure took a lot of glue to fill that crack. Kept sinking and sinking, but it's finally level. Now I'm just going to give it a day or so to really cure. 2000 RPM, 3/8 inch bowl gouge. Wow, I still need to take more off on this side because that's going to be the center of my mortise. All right, I'm going to try putting a tenon in there, see if I can turn it gently enough to not bust this out once I put it onto the chuck jaws. Well, I can see that the CA glue did run down all the way in here, so that's a good thing. This is some really pretty wood. So I'm going to make this mortise a little deeper than usual because I'm going to need to clean some of this away and still have enough strength on this side. All right, start turning away from here now. I've decided to put a dovetail in here and use my dovetail jaws. They'll be in a little deeper, and I think that might give better support. All right, I think that'll work. I'm going to drill for my logo coin. And then I believe I'm going to just leave these spots flat. I'll sand those because I really like the figure that's here. And I like the bark. I don't want to lose all of that. So I'm going to sand this, sand the rest of it, install my logo coin, and I'll be back. I have it reversed now, and I've got the pith running from right here straight across to here, and there's actually some chip out here. I'll just remove that. So I need to turn this down a little bit to get to that point, and I'm going to be turning this fast as I always do at 2000 RPM using my favorite gouge, my 3/8 inch bowl gouge. All right, got that down there. Now I'm going to probably have some people saying 2000 RPM is too fast to turn. And on a large bowl, of course it would, but this is a small piece. So I think that's quite all right. Somehow I managed to get this bowl a little off center. It's a little wider there than here. So if anybody asks, we'll just tell them I was doing an off center bowl, okay? All right, that's deep enough. I'm going to just sand everything now, and I'll be back to show you the end results. Well, it's finished, and I'm real happy with it. Apple has such lovely grain in it. I wish I could get huge pieces of it, but you take what you can get. And I'm happy with this one. I can't ask much more. All I did for a finish was mineral oil. It's a little tough to do a friction polish on something like this. So it's finished. I can use it for a candy dish or something if I want because it's food safe. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this. And I want to say again, please be safe. It's a dangerous world out there right now. Too many people are losing their lives or at least ending up in the hospital. Don't be one of them. Stay home. Enjoy your shop. So I hope you'll come back next time. Until then, have a great day in your shop and be safe. If you like this, please click the like button. Consider sharing it with your friends if you like, and I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't done that before. So, until next time, take care.